Alright, let me back up some. As you can see, the facade is still being installed. But one of the noticeable changes is they got the framing for the glass that's in the front installed. The black framing's there now for glass. And they got some of the brick facade on the front installed. Let's go inside because there's been some stuff done inside since last video. All the lighting has been put up. They were working on that. Electricians were working on that last video, but now they've completed and installed all the lights in. And you got these smaller hanging lights installed. Probably going to be counter space here. I can't remember. And we got door casings and doors in. So those are in. And all the wall paneling is in. This white panel walls is all in. They did the brick last time, the faux brick, but now the wall panels are in. Let's go over here to this other side. And a lot of the similar stuff, the casings for the doors have been put in and doors added. So they got that done since we last recorded. So the doors, the paneling on the walls, all these lights they hung in here, and the framing for the windows. The framing for the windows, more paneling you can see installed in here. It's white paneling, and you can see more doors have been installed, and more white paneling. So yeah, they've done quite a bit since the last video. Freezers and coolers are the same, and they put doors on the electrical area out on the side. Let's go show you that. You have our doors and window casings, and the electricians were here last week working, and they've completed some stuff now. So and these doors have been added to hide all the electrical. These were exposed to the elements last video, but now doors have been installed. They did this whole side of faux brick, and the back is done. That's where they were just getting started last video, and they've done the back here. So that's been done. So yeah, some decent progress, but that looks like that'll be all for this video. Thanks for watching.